interested in a review as well as demo of a new launch product from Lakme, which is Lakme 9To5 dual finish wet and dry compact? If yes, then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now I always say the same thing from the initial intro as well as from the thumbnail. You all have already guessed. Yes, today I am back with a new launch product which is from Lakme. It is from their 9To5 range. Few days earlier when I was just searching Lakme's website, I came across this particular product and I was little bit confused. First I am giving you the background, okay, and whatever information is there, I will go step by step. I'll include the shade range and each and everything. I'll go step by step, so you'll have all the detailed information. Right now, before moving ahead with the video and all, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. Hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now let's begin with the first background. As I already was telling you that I was searching Lakme's website, and that in particular that website I came across this product which is from Lakme 9To5 dual finish wet and dry compact. So I immediately contacted their toll-free number, but somehow unfortunately I got the wrong information. They said this is not a new launch product. So I have done my research, I've done everything, and what I did, I went to a particular Lakme's outlet. This particular product is purchased by my own money. So I went to the outlet and I purchased the product. And that time I got I think 7% discount. Yes, so I got this product. You can see the bill. This was 650 rupees, but I got around 7% discount. So I paid around 605 rupees for this particular product, and I got it over here, and I got the shade match also at the Lakme's counter. Generally I don't go for the shade match and all. I use my knowledge and whatever I have, I use that way, and I order online. But this time when I checked on Lakme's website, they were having 650 rupees, but Lakme ships after, free shipping is after 750 if I'm not wrong. So I was they were charging me 50 rupees for the shipping, 50 or maybe, I'm not sure, somewhat they are charging. So it was getting little bit expensive. So I called up the particular beauty store, and then I checked with them. They said they already have in stock. So I went there and I got the shade match and I got the product. I already showed you the bill. So now this is the background. Now we'll talk about the outer packaging. Outer packaging of the particular product, it comes in this kind of normal, their rose gold or whatever you say packaging. It says Lakme 9To5 dual finish wet and dry compact. This is what it says. On the one side they have given you all the detail about the compact. On the other side over here they have given you the Lakme Unilever brand logo and other details. Okay, over here as I've told you the other detail, and on the top they say Lakme. Over here you can see the lady in charge, she has written 34. I'll tell you about the shade range or all. Here it's written 34. So that is what the shade what I have got. And when you see the back side, it says dual finish wet and dry compact, a long lasting multitasking compact. Use it dry for a soft natural finish and wet for a high coverage with flawless finish. The lightweight formula blends easily to give a non-cakey look. How to use wet, they have given you all the basic information over here. You can check. Okay, now when you talk about, this is basically the outer packaging. Now let's move towards the MRP, the net content and everything. The MRP of this particular product is 650 rupees. The manufacturing is 0822. It is recent manufacture, just launched in the market, and it is good to use till 0125. So all these details they have given you, the MRP, manufacturing and expiry, and the shade number is given over here above the barcode. 34 almond. This is what the shade I have used. You can see. Net content is 9 grams. I'm not sure because of the light, I don't know whether it is focusing or no. 9 grams. So this is basically the net content, the MRP, expiry and every detail. Now we'll talk about the shade range. Now shade range, if at all you remember, I don't have that concealer because I have not reviewed that concealer. I'll put up an image over here. They had previously launched Lakme 9To5 Primer Plus Matte Concealer, Liquid Concealer. In the shade range, whatever was the shade range, the same shade range they have included is in this particular wet and dry compact. Same shade range included in the same shade names as well as the number. I'll just tell you briefly the numbers and the names. 10 ivory, 16 I have my notes over here, 16 sand, 20 nude, 24 beige, cinnamon 30, then almond 34, that is what I have. Then you have walnut 38 and cocoa 39. These are basically the 8 shades. It is available in total 8 different shades. So 8 shades for a compact, I don't think it's a bad thing, but yes, you have to go for a proper shade, otherwise it will look grey, ashy on your face, right? And this is the shade range what I have told you, manufacturing expiry, everything. You can compare that particular this shade range with the liquid concealer, not with this particular foundation. The Lakme 9to5 primer plus weight perfect cover foundation, this shade range is totally different compared to this particular powder foundation, like Wet and Dry Compact. So don't mix this shade with this, it is totally different altogether. And if you are taking your base, that liquid concealer, then again I am telling you, don't do that, because in that particular liquid concealer I follow under 30 cinnamon range for the concealer, but for the powder, that lady told me to go for the almond shade, that is 34, and that was the same shade I was having in my Lakme's cart. So I was pretty happy that yes, I had selected the particular perfect product as well as the shade. So that is what a briefing is. Now over here, when you see my face, I'll tell you the inner packaging. I forgot to show you the inner packaging, I'm so sorry, and I'll show you the hand swatch also. This is, I'm not sure it will focus the camera. It is Lakme 9to5 dual finish wet and dry compact. Okay, the camera will reflect, so that is what basically the rose gold packaging in. On the back side they have given the net content, the manufacturing expiry, the shade number, each and every detail they have given you in this particular compact. So if at all you want to throw away this, you can throw away easily, and you can just keep this, and it comes with this kind of plastic wrapping as well as this kind of plastic foil on the compact to just save it. Okay, as well as it comes with a mirror on the lid. Here they have the mirror, I won't show you, otherwise here they have the mirror, I won't show you, otherwise it will reflect the light and it won't look good. And this is what the compact is. This is the shade, you can check it out. This is in the natural light, no editing, nothing is done. 34 almond shade, right? And when you check, it comes with this kind of a base with holes in that, so if at all your sponge is wet, you can keep, it won't get dirt and all. So these are the holes they have given you, so you can easily keep your sponge. And this is the applicator what it comes with. I have already used it, so it is not looking good. So this is basically the inner packaging is, and you can see here the details, all the details. So this is basically the packaging and everything. Now I'll tell you about the base. Whatever the timestamp, I forgot to tell you, because there are a lot of people who always are concerned with the timestamp. Then don't worry, the timestamps are given in the description box. So if at all you don't want to listen all this, you can directly jump onto that particular timestamp and you can easily watch the video. You will get all the information. And right now, whatever you can see on my face, again I'm telling you, one side is just the dry compact, nothing else, using the same applicator whatever it comes with, and this side is the wet compact, using the same applicator, wetting it and using this. And I have not applied any kind of concealer on my face, that is the plus point, and I can see it has covered pretty good. And if you will ask me my thought for this coverage, then it is giving me a medium to little bit more than medium coverage. That is what I can say. Now what we will do is we will move towards the demo of this particular product. Yes, now before moving ahead with the demo part, I would just like to let you know my lipstick detail. It is basically from Lakme 9to5 itself. It is in the range from the range Creaseless CP10 Wine Order. This is the shade what I'm having right now on my lips. Right, now for the base, I've already applied my normal moisturizer, that is Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. After that, I have applied Stay Quirky First Primer Base Oil. I've just prepped my skin that way. Now for the primer, I want to try this, not exactly want to try, but I want to apply, because since it's a dual finish powder foundation and also I don't want my skin to look dry and also I want to prep my skin properly. So first moisturizer, then the dual that oil, first base primer oil, and now this dewy primer. So before moving ahead with the application of that, I'll just apply a little bit of this particular primer on my face, and then we'll move towards the demo. on my one side, that is on my right hand side, I will just take my powder brush, that is the brush with which I always apply my powder with. I'll just take that powder brush, or maybe what I can do is not taking powder brush. What I'll do is I'll just take this sponge, I'll just with the dry sponge itself, I'll apply the powder directly on my face. Over here I am not applying anything, that is no foundation, nothing. I am just going to directly apply with this sponge directly on my face, this side. And on my left hand side I have my water. This is the normal plain water. I'll spritz a little bit of water on the sponge, I'll damp it a little bit, and then I'll take the powder foundation, whatever is the foundation, and I'll apply on the other side, so that you will come to know side by side what kind of a powder, like what finish it gives, right? So first we'll move towards the right hand side of mine, that is right hand side without any wetting or anything, directly taking the like on the sponge. Okay. See, once I've already applied the powder foundation. This is the powder foundation side, and this is without anything. I think the camera will capture the things. It is easily visible. This is giving me a you can say medium coverage, not full coverage, but it is giving me a medium coverage on this side, and this is my normal skin. Now what I'll do is I have already used this side, so over the like on this side itself, I'll take water, I'll spritz the water on the sponge, that is on the applicator. Just wet the applicator. Now it is damp, not much, but yes, it is damp. Now I'll take the powder foundation and I'll apply on the left hand side of mine. Yes, now after applying the powder foundation on both the side, this is without wetting the sponge or without wetting the applicator, and this is after wetting the applicator. Now you can see both the sides together simultaneously. This is giving me a normal natural finish, as if I've applied the normal foundation, and this is giving me a little powdery finish. Like you can make out that this side is a powder, and over here you can say that yes, this is kind of a foundation finish, that is proper liquid foundation finish. That is what I can feel right now. Now what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera, I'll apply whatever my basic makeup is, and I'll come right back and I'll share my thoughts. Yes, now you already have seen the demo of this particular product. Now you will ask me my final thought. Once again I'm telling you, if at all you are watching from here, then once again I'm telling you, this side I have applied normal with the applicator without wetting it, and now this side I have applied after wetting the applicator, whatever it comes with. This is the same applicator I have used, because sometimes whenever we go out, we don't have any sponge or maybe beauty blender or anything, and we directly apply the particular product with the applicator, whatever it comes with. So that is why I have used the same applicator, whatever it came with. So after wetting, this is the wet side, this is the normal side. Now you have to tell me, what difference do you like which side do you like? I mean to say, you like the normal side, that is the normal powder side, or you like after wetting this side, that is my right side or my left side? You have to tell me. You will ask me particularly my choice, then I will say I would like to go for this particular left hand side after wetting the applicator, because as I can see, of course you can see right now my forehead little bit looks dry. As I already told you, my skin is dry. Basically this particular foundation, or maybe you can say dual finish wet and dry compact, is good for me in not even in summer also, but I can use this in summer little bit properly, since this is the winter season, and in winter my skin is like, you can say Sahara desert or more than that dry. It's very dry skin, so you can feel little bit powdery. Of course I have not used any kind of setting spray. I could have used the setting spray and then I could have come on the camera, but I wanted to show you the natural part. As I already told you, sometimes whenever we go out, at that time it might be possible we are not in excess of any kind of setting spray, so that time your face will look like this. And I wanted to show you the fact, if at all you are buying, if at all you are purchasing or making a decision to purchase, then you should be aware of the reality, whatever it looks like. So this this is what your face is going to look like if at all you have very dry skin like me. But still I can manage this part. I can take little bit less, or maybe I can manage somehow with this part after applying the setting spray. I can manage, and I like this side. Rather preferring this side, I would like to go for this side. And if at all you are going to use any kind of primer, I would suggest you to go for pore minimizer primer, because that is going to give you more natural finish. Right now I can see my pores over here, which is, I have pore problem over here, so I can see my pores because I have not used pore minimizer primer. Since I had to go for some dewy finish primer, I went for Wet n Wild. So if at all you are using, you can use pore minimizer primer, and then you can use this particular Wet n Dry dewy finish compact. So this is what my basic final thoughts are in this. If you ask me, it's a win-win situation. You can use it wet also, you can use it dry also. This is going to give you double impact. You don't have to purchase two products. This is going to give you one product will give you both the benefits. So while traveling, while going to office, wherever you are like going anywhere, or maybe at home you are getting ready, this is the perfect companion. And also the finish and all of this particular compact is superb. You know, 9 to 5 range is super premium range of Lakme, and this is perfect for that. And whatever the buying link and all, as I told you during the intro, it will be pinned in the comment section. So if at all you want to make your own purchase, you can go ahead and you can make your own purchase. Basically I have tried to cover each and every point, but still if you have any other query, any other questions, let me know in the comment section, or else I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen. You can DM me over there, you can ask me your query there, or else wherever you want to ask me, you can ask me. If at all you have any other new launch video idea or maybe suggestion, either here or maybe on Instagram, you can definitely let me know. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. Yeah, so please don't forget to like the video, like, share and subscribe. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.